Okay, third part. First thing to do again is label the sides. Here's our angle, so the side opposite is the opposite. There's a right angle. That means that will be the hypotenuse. That's the long one opposite the right angle. This will be the adjacent. The sides with things written on them here are the adjacent and the hypotenuse. And if you look back over here, an H and an A are together here with the CAH. So we write down cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and then we can put a small formula triangle down, CAH. It's always important you get those letters in the correct order. Then the bigger working out triangle, C stands for cos, and the angle always goes down here, and that is that symbol theta. The A stands for adjacent. Our adjacent is 5. H stands for hypotenuse. Our hypotenuse is 20. So we need to do the divide. 5 divided by 20. And with the answer to that on screen, and the answer to that is 0.25, we then do shift and cos equals, and we get 75.5. So there are 3 marks there, 3 times, 9 marks altogether. That brings us on to our final question. A ladder is leaning against the wall. The ladder is 4. The distance along the base of our triangle from the wall to the ladder is 2. The angle between the ladder and the ground, okay, here's the ladder, here's the ground, thereafter that angle, the angle I've marked X. So, if that's my angle, this will be my opposite. There's my right angle. This will be the adjacent. This will be the hypotenuse. I need a circle adjacent because it's got something written on the side. It's got a 2. I need a circle height. That had something written on it. Oh, I'm leaving blank. Nothing else was written on it. And if you look back at the SOHCAHTOA thing, for H and an A, which word is it going to be for H and an A? Yep.
Cash.
Cash. Okay, it is a CAH. It's cos. Okay, so cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Put the small formula triangle down, CAH. Make sure you get it in the right order. Then put the bigger working out triangle down. C stands for cos, and the angle is X. A stands for adjacent, and our adjacent was 2. H stands for hypotenuse. Our hypotenuse was 4. 1 number on the top, 1 number on the bottom. I need to do a divide. 2 divided by 4. And the final thing I do on this question, shift and cos is correct. And when I do that, I get a final answer here of 60 degrees. And that question is worth 3 marks. So altogether there are 12 marks on that page, and the whole homework is out of 40.